LAT Exam. Total marks 20. Topic number 3. Islamiyat. Introduction. Short QA. Part 1. Part A. Introduction. Islamiyat, or Islamic Studies, is a subject that explores the core beliefs, values, and practices of Islam. It covers a wide range of topics, including the study of the Quran, Hadith, sayings of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, Islamic law, Sharia, ethics, history, and the life of the Prophet Muhammad, PBUH. Through Islamiyat, students develop a better understanding of Islamic values such as compassion, justice, honesty, and humility. It also fosters a sense of cultural and religious identity while promoting tolerance and respect for other faiths. Overall, Islamiyat provides both practical and philosophical insights into Islam, guiding students in developing a balanced, ethical, and spiritually fulfilling life.